Hello, this is Dan Fusco, owner of InnerPC Computers, and today we're going to learn why cloud computing is the best IT solution for businesses. What we're going to specifically cover is cloud computing for your business, the benefits of cloud computing, Office 365 and cloud computing. We're going to talk about the synergy between Office 365 and why it's so powerful with cloud computing these days. And then we're going to talk about hosted desktops, how you'll be able to basically virtualize your entire company and have your company work on a cloud server. So some of the benefits of cloud computing is one, the ability to work remotely and securely. So we work with a lot of CPAs, accountants, and financial firms, and oftentimes they're going to go to an office and they're going to want to log into their network. Well, with a cloud desktop or a hosted desktop, you're able to work remotely very securely. And what we've noticed is that the speeds with these hosted desktops are very fast. The backups are automated, so you can have backups within the Azure platform, and also you can create shadow copies. And if you really want to get extensive backups, you can create an off-site backup with Microsoft Azure or with a third-party company. And this is a 100% customized solution. So whatever you want to do with a cloud network or your cloud computer, you can make it happen. So every desktop is completely customizable to your particular needs. You can install all programs on the Windows OS, whether you're working with QuickBooks, Lacert, Microsoft Office. Even if you have customized programs and they work on a Windows operating system, then you'll be able to install those programs onto the Microsoft Azure platform. So creating a cloud platform, we have gone in the direction of working with Microsoft and Office 365. And basically the reason why is because everything is under one hood. And there are so many products that are associated with Office 365, such as you can use Teams, which is a way to collaborate and communicate within your organization. You can have your emails hosted with Office 365. Of course, there's the whole Microsoft suite, which includes Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, for instance. Then there's SharePoint, which is the equivalent to Dropbox. You have OneDrive. And then what they've done is they've incorporated the hosted desktop solution. So really anything you want to do with cloud computing, even if it's phone calls, you can do all of this with Office 365. So they've really added a lot of continuity to their platform. And what's great is it's all under one hood. So when you log into a portal, like portal.office.com, or you're an administrator for that portal, you'll see all these different programs that they have, and you'll be able to make adjustments to them. You can add users, you can change passwords, just a whole lot of tools that you can use with Office 365. So what is a hosted desktop? A hosted desktop is basically a computer, and what you'll be able to do is log into your personalized desktop, which is stored in a data center with Microsoft Azure. So they have data centers, thousands of data centers throughout the world. We're in New York, so we use data centers on the East Coast. If you're in Chicago, you would use data centers in the Midwest. If you're out in California, you'd use the West Coast data centers. So you do want to have a data center that's in close approximation to your work. The neat thing about the cloud computing and hosted desktops and hosted servers is conventionally you would have had a server that you would have to refresh or purchase a new one every 5 years. It's called a network refresh. When you have all of your data stored on these cloud servers, you'll never have to do that again. In fact, a lot of people who have the hosted desktops or the hosted cloud servers don't even have servers in their office anymore. And that's because they're all in Microsoft's stacks, in these huge data centers. So you'll never have to rebuild a new computer. If you get even a laptop for your personal use, you can install this icon. It looks just like what you see here. It's a remote desktop application, and you can click that and log right into your computer. That's all you'll need to install if you get a new computer from now on. So the hosted desktops and servers that we use are with Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Azure. And they are performing really well, and our clients are getting a lot of benefit from using the speed and the consistency of these servers. So one other thing is that all data is always backed up. So you can have shadow copy, which is a really good way to back up your data and restore it right on the actual cloud server. Or you can have Microsoft back up your data, which is very good. You want to do that. It takes snapshots of your servers and it saves all the files and folders, puts them into one place. I have a couple of other videos on backup and how you can actually configure it and use it. So if you go to myinnerpc.com/blogs, you'll be able to see those videos on backup. And if you have any questions, you can email dan@myinnerpc.com with the subject line cloud computing, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you very much and have a great day.